Hey everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I'm going to tell you about membership program, and I'm going to tell you about membership program. Listen carefully because I'm providing you a complete course about ASP.NET Core fundamental and the professional course. Not only fundamentals, I will provide you project based courses. So in .NET I will give you two projects based on repository pattern and the clean architectures. Okay, so that is in the .NET Core, and complete video tutorial and complete source code I will provide you. Then after I will provide you REST API video tutorial and complete code, and .NET Blazor complete code, and also have a projects. And then after I will provide you Angular and React based courses, and with the entity framework core and SQL Server. So I will provide you courses in 800 rupees for the Indian users and $15 for other country users. How to get this deal? This is the full stack development course I will provide you, and lots of users actually benefit. So how to get this course? Just fill this form, that is full stack development course, your name, your email ID, your contact number, transaction reference ID, order ID, or PayPal ID. If you are from India, just pay using UPI ID. This is my UPI ID. You can say scan from your mobile phone. And if you are belong from other country, just pay using PayPal. This is my PayPal ID, and just pay using PayPal, and fill this form and fill this transaction reference ID, order ID, or PayPal ID. Just fill this form and get the membership. Only members get the project based courses. Okay, I will provide you complete video tutorial as well as source code. Okay, so let's get started with the RDLC report. And in this video tutorial, just I'm going to how telling you how to design RDLC report first and how to use it in ASP.NET Core. You know that RDLC report is actually worked in a Windows form in earlier years, you can say, or instead of days. So you know that here we have a Windows form application, and in the Windows form application, just use a data set. So here we have a dataset 1.xsd, and in dataset you have to design description, price, quantity, and the total. Here we have 4 columns in the dataset. Now just after that you can use report1.rdlc. Before going to design report, we need to add a extension, that is manage extension. Under the manage extension, you just type it RDLC here. RDLC is here, that is Microsoft RDLC report designer. Just after that, you have a RDLC report. You can just view your reports in viewers. Now here we have a parameter, that is the parameters, that is the title parameters, you can say. And the next one is the table, and the table is actually bind with the data set. So just first of all right click on it, add a data set, and that is the data set 1. So you can see that here we have a data set name, that is items. So data source is data set 1, available data set is also data table 1 in the data set, and the name of the choose data set is items. Just you can define it. And here we have a description is like that, system.string, price, quantity, and the total. Now that's just after that you can choose data source, that is data set 1. So here we have a data set 1, add a data set, you can say. So here we have a data set, and now just after that you have to design this RDLC report in the form of table, and that is the table. And here we have a description, and that is the column name, description, price, quantity, and total. That is the very easy way to do to design RDLC in Windows form. How to use this RDLC in ASP.NET Core? So after design this RDLC, you can use your RDLC report in ASP.NET Core. It's very easy steps. So first of all, create a new project, that is the web form, or sorry, uh, you can say that a web model view controller MVC project in ASP.NET 8. So currently I am using ASP.NET 8 here, 8.0. So the first of all, you need to add a package, and the package is, you know that we have a report viewer core.net core. So the package is report viewer core.net core. It's a very easy to add a report. Now just after that you have to add a reports directory. Under the reports directory, just add your reports. Now just currently I'm using report 1. So here we have a report 1 and report is already there. So there is a no need of this report.rdlc. Just I am checking. So just I did check report.rdlc. So the example point of view, I'm taking report1.rdlc. Okay, so just you need to add item group here, and you need to add a reports like that. Embed resources include reports and report1.rdlc, and copy to output directory, that is the preserve new set copy to output directory, that is report1.rdlc. That's pretty good. Now after that, you first of all remove the report from the item group reports and report 1.rdlc like that. After that, you can use target framework, that is 8.0. Now here we have a report, that is report 1.rdlc, and now just after that you can just add a reports directory here and add a report 1.rdlc from the Windows form to copy and paste it here. Now just after that, you can add in the program.cs file, and in the program.cs file is nothing to do it here, only just use the static files. Okay, now the next one is to use RDLC here, and that is actually report 1.rdlc is depend on these data. You can see description, price, quantity, and the total. So based on these data, you have to design a report item. So here we have a report item, description, price, quantity, and the total, and total based on the price and the quantity. Now just after that, you have to add a reports.cs file, and you must to add a static method, that is load. In the load method, you have to use local report decimal widgets price and the gizmo price. Okay, so now just after that, you can use this one. I want to generate a report based on the widgets price and the gizmo price. Now you can use a report item, and the report item we have 4-5 items like description, price, and quantity, and final total is based on the price and the quantity. So just create a items array. Now the next one is the title. You know that what is the parameter is here. The parameter is report parameter actually. Okay, so report parameter is actually existing in which package, that is Microsoft report, Microsoft.reporting.net core. This is one package. So title is title, and the title name is invoice for and 2020. Okay, so you can change it, and this title is working on this title is displaying will be displaying on this report, that is report on add this here, because this is the parameter. And now the next one is to use where is assembly. Just I want to get the assembly based on the project name. So RDLC example dot reports, that is the project name dot directory name dot report 1.rdlc. Okay, now after that, load report definition and data source dot add, that is new reported data source, that is the item, and the set parameter is the parameters. Now how to use this static file in controller and the views. So here we have a home controller, and in the home controller we have a index method. In index method we have a model, that is input model, and input model we have two properties, that is widgets and gizmo price. You can see. So go to definition, and here we have a widgets price and the decimal price. Okay, now the next one is to return to the view, that is the model, that is view. So here we have a views. You can see that here we have a home and index.cshtml. So here we have a widgets price and the gizmo price. Also based on these two text boxes, we have 4 buttons. That is get PDF, get HTML, get docs and get XLX based on the reports. So how to use this in the generate report? In generate report input model, I want to get it input model and the send report type. So in index.cshtml, where we just got it the model, that is input model, and also we just get it the report type. The name is both the report type, report type, and just I want to get the value PDF like that. So if the report type is type of switch cases, report type is PDF, HTML, docs and XLX, so you can just call it that class, that is the report.cs. So you can see that here we have a local report, widgets and gizmo price. So that we can say that here we have a load method. So under the load method, you can say PDF, render format is PDF, extension is PDF, and MIME type is application/PDF. So that we can call prepare report. Okay. So this is the method here, prepare report model. Just I want to send it model. And what about the model is here where we have a gizmo price and the widgets price and the render format, extension and MIME type based on this type. Okay, like XLX and application/ this one. Okay, now just call it prepare report, and report is what? So in the report section we have a local report, so that we can say here we have a local report, and report viewer core dot report. Report is a namespace name right now. So namespace name is this one. This is the namespace name. Under the namespace we have a class name, that is report, and by using the class name you just call it the method name. So that you can say report viewer core dot call dot load, and that is the local report, widgets price and the gizmo price. And after based on this data you can just generate a report in RDLC report. Just I want to show the output. So here we have a widgets price and the gizmo price like that, and I want to change this price data like this one, and I want to get the PDF. So when we click to the get PDF button, and I will find it that data in the PDF format and with the tabular data. So you can see that this is the invoice, this is my title here, and it's a price, it's a it's a complete, that it's a RDLC get docs is here. So it says complete docs is here. That's fine. I think uh, uh, you have a good example of two reports in rate. Thank you very much for watching this video. So must to join this, it's more beneficial for you guys. Believe me, it's more beneficial for you. If you want to learn .NET Core, Dapper, React, SQL Server, it's a complete package for you. And it's not a simple course based, it's my journey actually. So I will share you my 10 to 14 year experience in this series. Okay. So hurry up guys, go to your video description box and check out the Google form link and fill this form. So finally fill this form and just get it the more beneficial for you. Okay, you find this link in your video description box, so must to check it out.